one core principle of all negotiation. It comes down to one core principle. That is, you must have something going two ways constructively before you have a negotiation. That's it. That's what it comes down to. If you don't have anything going two ways, you have an incident. You do not have a negotiation. If you start with no, don't, stop, calm down, do this, don't do that, that never goes two ways. You will never have anything coming back to you except for two things: aggression or a power struggle. And power struggles destroy the negotiation process instantly. It's done, over with. You will never get a negotiation from a power struggle. Power struggles are, you're going to do this. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. Somebody's got to win. Somebody's got to lose. It's not going to be me who loses. It's going to be you who loses. And you're saying exactly the same thing. So it becomes a fight of wills or strength. Power struggles smack in the middle, and they push back and forth by force. The only way to win a power struggle is by force, either emotionally or physically. And if you start with a power struggle, generally you end with one. Very rarely you start with a power struggle and you can somehow flip it over to a negotiation. It's very difficult to do that, almost impossible. But we start power struggles because we're always telling people what to do as a reaction to our loss of control.